Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into pCloud, access your online storage step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type pcloud.com and press enter. Wait for the pCloud homepage to load completely. Look for the login button in the top right corner of the page. Click the login button to open the sign-in screen. In the email field, enter the email address you used for your pCloud account. In the password field, type your pCloud password carefully. Double-check for typos, especially if caps lock is on. If you are on a personal device, you can check stay logged in for easier access next time. Click the login button to sign in to your account. If you see a security check, complete it to continue. If two-factor authentication is enabled, open your Authenticator app or check your SMS. Enter the verification code exactly as shown and submit it. Wait a moment while pCloud verifies your information. After logging in, you will arrive at the pCloud web dashboard. Find your files list in the main area to confirm you are inside your storage. Use the left menu to open sections like Files, Photos, and Public Links. To upload a file, click Upload and choose File or Folder from your device. Select the items you want to upload and confirm to start the transfer. To download a file, click the file once and choose Download. To create a new folder, click New Folder and type a clear folder name. To search for anything fast, use the search bar at the top and type a keyword. To access pCloud on mobile, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for pCloud, install the official app, and open it. Tap Login and enter the same email and password as your web account. Allow permissions if you want automatic photo backup or easier file access. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset email instructions. For safety on shared devices, click your profile icon and choose Logout when finished. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.